Moving on to rule number 5. Is the resistance in optimum alignment for the target muscle? So choose an exercise that allows for the resistance to be directly opposite the origin of the muscle and in line with the muscle fibers when they're in their anatomical natural pathway. For every degree outside of the optimum angle of alignment, insertion to origin in a straight line, the target muscle will receive less load, as other, usually weaker muscle groups take over, as they are now being loaded due to their positioning relative to the load. Now, exercises that allow your target muscle to be positioned directly opposite the resistance are the most efficient. Whatever muscle is positioned directly opposite the resistance will be the most loaded, whether you want it to be or not. That's how it works. And likewise, for every movement you perform which is not optimally aligned and angled so that the line of force is directly opposite the target muscle, will have less efficient results due to the loading of the non-target muscles which are assisting it.